What's going on? So I'm at the house right now. They're working on the floors, and I want to show you guys around a little bit. It looks phenomenal. So we were gonna go with this color, but there's a couple of dog piss areas near the kitchen that are just way too dark. That won't look good, so we decided to go with this gray stain. This is only the first coat. They're gonna put a couple more coats on and make it shine. But yeah, this is the color we decided to go with. It looks like they've already done majority of the rooms. This is the master bedroom, and this will be the office. So it's gonna look really, really good, especially with the wall, the accent wall downstairs. This natural wood is something that Hannah really wanted, I wanted, but the stain is over here, and it wouldn't have looked good putting that light stain on. So other than that, I can't wait to see this whole house. It's gonna be gray wood floors, white paint. We're gonna do that accent wall right here. It's gonna go real well. We're putting a fireplace right here, an electronical fireplace or whatever those are called, and then finish it up. And then we had somebody come today and talk about moving this wall. What's going on? All right, it's the next day. I'm pretty sure they got the staining done, but I want you guys to experience this at the same time as me. Because y'all are like family, I want you guys to come see this with me. Take the shoes off. Don't want to damage nothing. Oh my gosh. I want you to look at it, folks. That's beautiful right there. Brand new, stained, beautifully done floors. So those are the spots. And like I said, they're a little bit more camouflage because of the color we picked, but man, they did phenomenal. I think they have to come back and do another coat of, I think 2 more coats or something, I don't know. But I think they do another coat of polyurethane, or however you say that. Don't worry, the bottom of these are gonna be painted white. And it's gonna make this look even cleaner. But man, oh man. Just a phenomenal job. It makes the house almost look brand new. And once we put the baseboards in, it's gonna just make the walls pop that much more. Yeah, these are nice. They filled in some of the holes that the cables went through. But yeah, that looks good. And we're still just waiting for the bathroom. I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous to work on that. Guys, thank you for watching, seeing the transition of the floors. For those that have been religiously watching my videos, just seeing everything change and morph, this has been extremely exciting for me and Hannah. We're excited to get into the house once the bathrooms are done, because I'm not moving into a house without a bathroom. But please like the video, please share the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and have a great day.